I'm going to do a quick tip. It'll take a couple of minutes because I need to show you two different phases to this tip. The first one is take your iPad, go online and purchase a program called Paper. It's this one right here that says Paper. If you do a search, Paper by 53, that'll get you there. But just take this and open it. So it's open and it goes here, and then you can actually sign your name. What we're going to do is we're going to sign our name and make a signature, and then we're going to take it into Photoshop and turn it into a brush so you can use it any size, anytime, really easy. So first you'll take that program called Paper and you're going to write your name or your signature on the iPad. One thing you want to do for sure though is grab the white paint right here and hold it down and then drag it up here and drop it on the paper, because the paper isn't actually super white when you start. And then you have to change it if you don't do this. And then go down and find black right there, select black, grab this pen tool right here, and then just write your name. My name. Now if you have a stylus, it's that much easier to do, but this will work okay. And then what we'll do is we turn around and we just want to take a picture of this. And you do that by holding down the button here and the turning on and off button at the same time. It snaps a picture. Then we can just go back out to the pictures itself, pull up the photos, and we need to go to the very end where I have my name right here. And I'm going to turn around and I'm going to email this to me. So I'm going to click on it right here and I'm going to forward it. I'm going to mail it to me. And now we're going to switch over to the computer monitor and you'll see what we do from here. All right, so I just emailed this to me, and now I just pull up this email and I'm going to open it up in Photoshop by just dropping the attachment into Photoshop. And we'll bring Photoshop up. And the only thing we need to do before we actually turn this into a signature is we need to crop out some of the stuff that we don't want to be part of this brush that's going to have color in it or anything. So we're just going to take just the my name portion of this and set it up like this. Now the only thing that's left to do is to turn it into a brush, and that's just go up to the edit menu. And down on the edit menu, you'll come to one that says Define Brush Preset. Click on that. Call it something that you'll remember what it is, like my name. And we'll say OK. And now if we go down to the bottom of the brushes, when we select a brush, we'll come all the way down to the bottom, and there'll be a brush there called my name. And you'll notice that it looks just like this. So let's go to an actual photograph that we want to put our signature on. So we'll grab that signature, and then we'll come over here with my brush, and we're going to set this up to go ahead and sign my name. And you'll notice that it's very, very large here, so we don't want to do that. So let's just shrink it by using the left bracket keys, get it down to the size that we want it. And in this case, let's say we want it to be white. So we set this up to 100% white, and we just click on it, and then you're done. That's how simple it is. Now, if you want to make it any other color, all you have to do is select that color in the color palette, pick the color you want, and then come over and use that color. So you can do this any way you want. Left bracket makes it smaller, right bracket makes it bigger. There you have it. Enjoy your new signature.